Morning, this is Steve O'Hare, and today is Tuesday, the 1st of June 2021, and we're presenting our cryptocurrency outlook on the Markets X platform. So I'm going to run through a few currencies today. I'm going to go look at Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Cardano. And we're going to look at the technical levels, drilling down from the higher timeframes to the shorter term timeframes to give you some levels to watch on the week coming up. So if we're looking at the long-term chart in Bitcoin, we're in a corrective wave, corrective formation, potential for a head and shoulders formation. And over the last couple of weeks, we've seen pretty indecisive price action. So spikes in both directions, but really no real purpose to these spikes. The daily chart is probably a little bit clearer. And this shows we are forming a triangle formation. Now, triangles formations are either continuation or reversal formations. Generally, they are continuation formations. So it's a symmetrical triangle. We're looking for really a break of the 33,750 to 34,350 support level for this to continue lower towards the 20,000 level. That's where we are targeting at the moment from a technical perspective. However, triangle formations can also be reversals. If we do get a reversal from here, the formation, let's go down to the 4-hour chart. It's a little bit clearer on there. The 4-hour chart shows it a bit clearer. We've got the downward trending resistance of the symmetrical triangle that comes in just under 40,000, around about 39,200. If we do get a break above there, the initial resistance will come in around about 42,000, but for us, the real line in the sand or pivot level, as I see it from a technical perspective, is 46,000. So any moves up towards 46,000 are a continuation of this correction lower. If we manage to break above 46,000, then I think that opens up a move back to the highs. That's where we are on a technical perspective on Bitcoin. Looking at Ethereum, similar types of formation. If we look at the daily chart, we've got this symmetrical triangle formation forming. We've got 3 points on the downside. We've got multiple points on the upside as well. So resistance comes in at 2,800 in Ethereum. A break above there will target a move to 2,900 and 3,000 before we then really, for us again, that's where the pivot level is. Let's get if we can get a Fibonacci retracement on here. So around about anywhere between 38.2 and 50% retracement. Above there, we'd still have resistance. Really, the big resistance levels are around about the 3,600 level. Before then, breaking there would see a return to the highs. But at the moment, we're still bearish. The Ichimoku cloud on the daily chart remains bullish. So that's a positive for Ethereum. On Cardano, similar sort of formation forming, although if we look at the weekly chart, this was one of the bearish ones we saw, a complete bearish outside candle on Cardano. And although we have reacted higher and we've even got had a bit more of a correction here, obviously the big sell-off led to a quite aggressive correction that got up to 61.8% fib. Retracement level on a corrective basis, so that was a decent correction. However, although we're still trading at slightly elevated levels, trading around about $1.67, it is still remains in this corrective move lower, so the jury's still out. 182.85 break of there should open up a move back towards the highs. On these and the supportive levels below, we'll look at the 4-hour chart. We can highlight them here. This has proved to be support 143 and 126.22. Break of 126.22 obviously opens up a move towards 95. Thanks for joining me this week. Hope that's been informative, and good luck with trading, and I'll see you next week.